Are you managing too many emails? Tired of waiting for verification codes every time you try to log in? If yes, then this video is exactly what you need. Why you must use 2FA and how it saves your time. If you're like me and you manage dozens or even hundreds of emails, dealing with recovery codes and phone verification becomes a nightmare. Most email providers, even Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, will ask for a verification code whenever you log in. New IP, new browser, or simply a security check. And the code usually goes to your recovery email or your phone number. But if you've used temporary phone numbers, like foxsims.com, to create your accounts, then you can't depend on recovery codes at all, because you don't own those numbers anymore. So the smartest solution, use an Authenticator app. This gives you instant login without waiting for any recovery codes. How 2FA helps you log in instantly. Let me show you an example with Outlook. Normally, Outlook sends a code to your recovery email. But with 2FA enabled, you only need your email, your password, and the 6-digit code from the Authenticator. No recovery email, no phone number, no waiting, just boom. But what if you manage 100s or 1000s of emails? Using a phone authenticator becomes impossible because you will keep scrolling forever. Codes refresh every 30 seconds. You can't organize 300 accounts on a small screen, so instead, you use a web-based authenticator like 2FA.live. It lets you store all your secret keys in one place, organized, searchable, and fast. How to enable 2FA on any email, step by step. This method works for all email providers. Go to your account security settings, look for two-step verification, two-factor authentication. Click Authenticator App. When the QR code appears, click I can't scan the barcode. This will show your secret key copy, your secret key, very important. Save this key in a safe place, Google Sheets, Excel, or your password manager. If you lose this key, you might lose access to your email forever. Go to https://chat2fa.live. Paste your secret key and press submit. You will now see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Copy the code and paste it into your email setup. Click next, then done. Congratulations. Your email now has 2FA enabled and you can log in anytime without recovery codes. Final tips, very important. Keep a backup of all secret keys. Organize your emails in sheets or files. Never use the same phone number for multiple emails. Use 2FA for both security and speed. I hope this video was helpful and saved you a lot of time. If you have any questions or need a tutorial about something specific, just comment below. I read and reply to all comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching.